Remember the Lord your God, for He is the one who gives you the power to be successful. He gives you the power and the energy to create wealth in order to fulfill the covenant He confirmed to your ancestors with an oath. Come on. God is working, constantly giving you the power and the energy and the ability to create wealth, to become somebody that when people look at you, they're like, what is that guy doing? Whatever he's having for breakfast, I want double that. How is that guy growing like that? Why is he doing so well? What is happening in his life? Then people will start saying, there has to be something. Somebody is doing something in his life. Somebody is living for him. Somebody is giving him favor. How is it possible that he's winning every deal, that his church is growing, that his finances, he's just every year he's driving new cars. And then he gives cars away. Did you see that guy? He's giving new cars away. Just stand in the queue. Then we come with our poverty mentality. I want a car. Please give me a car, please. Please don't look at me. Instead of being the one saying, I don't want this car, I want to be the one giving the car away. I want to be the one helping the people. But we get to that point so quickly. You just want to stand in the line. Please give it to me. Please, I know you're a giver. Shirt, I'm open. Come on, am I lying? Am I lying? You wouldn't have laughed like that if it wasn't the truth in the church today. So I don't even have to ask the question. This is a workshop. It's not a church service, so it's okay. I can say what I need to say. Deuteronomy 11. Let's just carry on. So for tonight's reading, we're reading out of Deuteronomy 11:18 to verse 28. So commit yourselves. Because this is going to challenge a few people. You might just want to hear and not listen now. So commit yourselves wholeheartedly. Yeah. Is that English? So commit yourselves wholeheartedly to these words of mine. Tie them to your hands and wear them on your foreheads as reminders. Teach them to your children. Talk about them when you are at home and when you are on the road, when you are going to bed and when you are getting up.